What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the big green egg going. We're going to get this bad boy up to about 250, 275, hopefully around the 250 range, because we are going to be making, we're going to be reverse searing, rather, a picanha cut of beef, but it's not any cut of beef. It's, again, from New England Wagyu. Super pumped about it, but you know what? I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just going to show you because it is mind-blowingly beautiful. Let's go. Look at the marbling on this. It is beautiful. Gorgeous fat cap, not crazy thick like I've seen on others. This is gonna melt super nice. I am beyond pumped. We're gonna hit this with some Lane's brisket seasoning. We're gonna do that now while the egg's getting up to temperature. We're gonna let it sit for a bit so that the meat gets up to temperature. Woo, we're gonna smoke this thing. Let's go. All right, we hit it with some of that Lane's barbecue. Beautiful brisket seasoning. Let's go. All right, throwing this bad boy fat side up, fat cap up. We're gonna let this smoke to about 125, then we're gonna let it rest for a while, and then we're gonna sear it. I think it's beautiful. We got the temp spike in there from ThermoWorks. Yep. Oh man, look how the fat has peeled back. It's nice and firm. This is gonna be awesome. So we've hit about 130 internal. We're gonna remove it. We're gonna wrap it a bit, let it rest. We're gonna get this the temperature jacked up, and we're gonna sear it. All right, we've got that hot glow. This grill grate is scorching right now. We've got a picanha here, and like Leroy, when you got the glow, you got the glow. All right, so on this one, we want to go fat side down to start with. And we're going to flip it every few minutes to get that nice sear on the outside. All right, that fat started to burn a little bit. Flipped it over. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful crust on this. All right, so we just let this rest for a little bit. Now we're gonna slice into it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Beautiful cut of meat. Completely moist and tender. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Ooh, baby. Incredible cut of meat. Amazing seasonings. Amazing cook. Let's go. I mean, look at that. Now that, my friends, is a picanha steak.